Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. The title of the project is SEDMDroid and Enhanced Stalking Ensemble Framework for Android Malware Detection. And the abstract of the project is the popularity of the Android platform in smartphones and other Internet of Things devices has resulted in the explosive of malware attack against it. Malware presents a serious threat to the security of devices and the services they provided. Example, stealing the privacy-sensitive data stored in the mobile devices. The main aim of the study is to explore the malware prediction in Android. Data preprocessing and model selection is the first two phases. After that, the data is divided into two portions, train and test sets in the ratio of 80% and 20% respectively. In third phase, feature reduction is considered. In that feature reduction, we are using principal component analysis algorithm and the most prominent prediction models such as support vector machine and multi-layer Perceptron algorithms are used to evaluate how they impact model accuracy. Finally, the AUC or RUC curve was used to analyze the findings obtained on the test set. And the flow diagram of the project is, first we need to start the program and select the dataset as the Android malware dataset, and we use the sample dataset. Then it will process into pre-processing method. In pre-processing method, we are going to clean the dataset. In cleaning process, we are going to check the missing values and NaN values. If any missing and NaN value contains in our dataset, we need to replace the missing and NaN values into unique value of 0. Then it will process into label encoding method. In the label encoding, all the string values are converted into binary values. Then it will apply into the model selection. In model selection, the dataset is split into two sets. One is training set and another one is testing set. Then it will apply into the feature reduction method. In feature reduction, we are using principal component analysis algorithm, which is used to reduce the features from the dataset. Then it will apply into classification method. In classification, we are using two types of algorithm. One is support vector machine and another one is multi-layer Perceptron algorithm. In multi-layer Perceptron algorithm, which is called from neural network algorithm, and the final result is predictor based on the accuracy and ROC accuracy, specificity, sensitivity, and also ROC curve. I am going to run my program in Anaconda Navigator Spider IDE. This is the sample data from our dataset, and this is the description value of our dataset, and this is the pre-processing method. In that we are going to check the missing values of our dataset, and then we need to label encode the dataset, and then again we need to check the missing values and replace the missing values into 0. And this is the total feature of our dataset. Our total feature is 215, and this is the count based on baining and malicious. And this is the dataset heat map diagram. We have more number of columns, that so it will show like that. And this is the training feature size, and this is training label size and test feature size and test reduced shape. In that we are using the PC algorithm to reduce the shape from our dataset and recover the shape. And then we are applying into the support vector machine. Support vector machine accuracy is 97%. And this is the precision recall F1 score value of baining and malicious dataset. And this is the confusion matrix result, and the SVM specificity is 0.98 and sensitivity is 0.95. And this is the digit classification learning diagram, and this is the confusion matrix diagram of SVM. And this is SVM ROC accuracy is 99.42%, and this is the ROC curve of support vector machine. And multi-layer Perceptron algorithm. Multi-layer Perceptron algorithm accuracy is 0.99. That means 99% of accuracy and precision recall FN score of meaning and malicious dataset. This is the MLP specificity and MLP sensitivity, and Matthew's correlation coefficient of MLP is 0.97, and this is the MLP digit classification learning curve, and this is a confusion matrix of the multi-layer perception algorithm, and this is the multi-layer perception ROC curve accuracy is 99%, and finally the ROC curve of multi-layer perception algorithm. These are the variables that we are using in our process.